So we're in Edmonton at my favorite grow supply store, and we're here to get some soil. So exciting. So there's a lot of different soils that you can choose from. Yes, we are. Thank you. Yeah. So as I was saying, there is a lot of different kinds of potting soil you can get. I have used the Gaia Green Living soil before. I do really like it, but this is my tried and true. My fave, my go-to. You are a pretty bird. Oh my gosh! You are so cute! Do you like that? Oh, we picked up the soil and I got one of these guys to try. So I used the bottled CO2 before, but this time, oh, we're gonna grow our own. It's so cool. I can't wait to talk to you guys about it. If you live anywhere close to Edmonton, Alberta, and you want to grow cannabis, Hydro-Lite by Fort Road is incredible. The people that work there are super knowledgeable, super friendly, super helpful, and the prices are good. They always have good sales, and they always have everything that I want. There is also another location on the south side of Edmonton. And if you're not around Edmonton, Alberta, then just look for your hydroponic gardening store, and they specialize in cannabis nutrients and things like that. Oh my gosh, look at all this new growth. It's so awesome. Oh, there's another set coming in. Oh, Bloobs, you're doing great. Girls, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Look at this garlic. It's out of control. So thanks for coming shopping and checking up on the girls with me. In the next couple of days, I'm going to be posting a video of the repotting of the canna-babies and how to grow our own CO2. I'm super excited for this. So thanks for gardening with me. See you later.